In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message in Slack. If you've ever sent a message with a typo, posted something in the wrong channel, or shared a draft before it was ready, don't worry. Slack makes it very easy to remove a message you've sent, and in most cases, the whole process only takes a few seconds. Before you begin, just keep in mind that you can usually delete messages that you personally wrote, but some workspaces have permission rules set by admins or owners. So if you don't see the delete option, that's likely due to workspace settings rather than a problem with your app. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, look over to the left-hand sidebar and go to the channel or direct message where the message was originally posted. After that, scroll through the conversation until you find the exact message you want to remove. Take a second here to make sure you've located the correct one, especially if there are multiple similar messages in the thread. Once you've found it, move your mouse over the message. When you hover over it, Slack will display a small action bar in the upper right area of that message. This bar gives you quick access to message options. On that bar, click the three-dot icon to open the More Actions menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several message-related options. Scroll down toward the bottom of that list and click the option labeled Delete Message. If you want a quicker method, there's also a keyboard shortcut you can use. With the target message selected, pressing the backspace key or the delete key can bring up the deletion confirmation prompt right away, which helps speed things up if you use Slack frequently. After that, Slack will show a confirmation window asking if you're sure you want to delete the message. This is an important final check because deleting a message is permanent and cannot be undone. Read the prompt carefully so you know exactly what's about to happen, then click the red delete button to confirm. As soon as you do that, the confirmation box will close and the message will disappear from the conversation immediately. Once Slack finishes syncing the change, that message will also be removed across desktop, browser, and mobile views for everyone in the workspace. And that's all there is to it. That's how to delete a message in Slack quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.